At ZPN, the fundamental starting point when consulting on any project is to assess our customers' energy demand. In order to do this, we use the ZPN's three-stage evaluation model: demand, storage, and generation. Demand. We need to consider how much energy will be required and when the peak amount of energy is needed to meet both existing demand or new loads such as EV charging. Generation. Where will this energy come from? Energy bandwidth is key. Existing supply may be limited. Expansion may be expensive, either in hardware or cost per kilowatt. From a robust demand projection, we can consider generating energy by utilizing available real estate or roof space from renewables such as solar and wind. Storage. This is the key to ensuring we can supply enough energy at any time. This means that when demand is low, energy can be harvested at low cost from grid or renewable sources to be used as demand dictates. ZPN's unique modeling and world-leading systems integration means your energy is yours to control. EV charging can become a revenue driver, not a cost, and your business is protected from energy shocks or limited supply. ZPN Energy. Business energy management delivered.